And right now, we're learning more about Gabriel House, and we now know that the operator of the facility has run into some trouble before. Our I-Team coverage continues with the I-Team's Brian Crandall. He's been looking into the owner's background as well as the history of the building. Brian?
Well, Patrice, from what we know so far, safety inspections were up to date, but one worker had harsh words about the conditions there.
Complainant screaming that there is fire and alarm sounding.
And Fall River fire trucks roll. Within minutes, the tragedy at Gabriel House is unfolding.
It's the Gabriel House. It's completely up in flames.
We have a non-ambulatory patient on the second floor. I need bodies and lives. There's heavy fire on this third floor. All the medical rescues you can.
And now, questions about what went wrong and some finger pointing.
I'm embarrassed to say I work there.
Deborah Johnson tells us she's worked as a certified nursing assistant at Gabriel House for 4 years and complained about the conditions.
They should have been shut down a long time ago.
The city building inspector's office provided us the inspection approval for Gabriel House 9 months ago, which deemed the means of exiting the building were acceptable. The inspector's office, like the fire chief, told us the building has sprinklers, but it's not yet known if they activated. Johnson claims there were no evacuation plans.
There was none of that. None of that.
How long did you work there?
No practices.
City records also show the building is 61 years old, with 88 bedrooms and a kitchen on the first floor. State records list the president and manager of Gabriel Care as Dennis Excorn. NBC 10 was told this was him at the scene this morning, but he wouldn't talk to us. He's not returned my message. Court records show he was indicted in Bristol County back in 2012 for allegedly offering and paying what were called $150 kickbacks to patients on state aid to refer other patients to Gabriel Care, but prosecutors later dropped the case.
This man needs to be charged. Okay, he needs to be charged. We've lost lives. They were not living under good conditions. He never came around. You know when he came around? Rent day. He came around to collect the rents. That's all he came around for. Didn't fix anything.
And again, we have not heard back from him. We've also asked the Fall River Fire Department for its inspection records of Gabriel House. The people in charge of those records had been working overnight and through the day on the fire and told us they didn't have those records available now. And the fire chief said inspections are done quarterly and that the facility was compliant. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.